The expansion of Polynesian navigators across the Pacific Ocean remains one of the most impressive feats of human exploration. Without compasses, sextants, or chronometers, wayfinders successfully navigated the Polynesian Triangle, an area covering roughly 10 million square miles. Their success relied on a sophisticated system of observation and mental mapping that treated the ocean as a grid of living signs. The foundation of Polynesian navigation was the star compass, a mental construct where the horizon was divided into 32 houses. Navigators memorized exactly where specific stars rose and set, using these points to steer their canoes. They steered by keeping the vessel aligned with a path of stars, switching to the next star as one rose too high. They knew which stars passed directly overhead, zenith, at specific islands, using them for latitude. For instance, if Sirius was directly above, they knew they were at the latitude of Tahiti. When clouds obscured the stars, wayfinders turned to reading the pulse of the ocean. They developed an extraordinary ability to feel the direction and shape of sea swells. Unlike choppy surface waves, swells are deep, rolling pulses of energy that travel thousands of miles from distant storms. A navigator could distinguish between as many as 4 different swell patterns simultaneously. When a deep ocean swell hits an island, it bends around it, refraction, or bounces back, reflection. By feeling the hitch or change in the canoe's motion, a wayfinder could tell there was land nearby. Polynesians didn't just look for a tiny speck of land, they looked for an expanded target. An island might be small, but its signposts extend for miles. Land-based birds like the manutara fly out to sea to fish in the morning and return to land at night. Following their flight path at dusk is a direct lead to an island. A greenish tint on the underside of a cloud often indicates the reflection of a shallow lagoon or lush tropical forest. Wayfinders looked for tilapa, an underwater bioluminescent flickering that appears to shoot out from the direction of land. While navigation was performed entirely from memory, training involved the use of stick charts, rebelib, or matang. These were not maps in the Western sense, they were instructional models. Made from coconut frond midribs and tied with fiber, the sticks represented swell patterns and wave intersections. Small cowrie shells represented the location of islands. Navigation was a continuous mental exercise, maintaining a mental movie of their journey. They accounted for the estimated speed of the canoe, the drift caused by ocean currents, and the time elapsed. By combining these data points, the navigator always knew their position relative to